Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today we're going to show you how to grow or start your tomato seeds in a paper towel. So the first thing you want to do is get your tomato seeds. Either you can harvest them from an organic tomato or you can purchase them like I did. Fold it. Oh, just like that. Fold it in half. You're going to go like this. You gotta go, ooh, like that. Pretty, good job. Squirt them. Yes, no, you gotta squirt them down. Get them all wet. Okay, so we're gonna put we're gonna spread some tomato seeds. This will be mommy's. And we don't want them too close together. There. Like, we gotta roll up our paper towel. Really careful. You roll up that one. Just roll it up really gentle. Oh, very good work. Very good work, my friend. Now put it right there. We gotta do the last one. This is a lot of tomato sprouts, maybe. We'll see. Okay, good side. Just a little. Okay, that's probably enough. Will you put them inside gentle? Make sure they don't have to spill. That's a good job. Okay. Now, we're gonna put them all the way in the back, and that one can go in the middle, and then this one can go right there. Nice work. And we're gonna make sure they don't overlap. And there we go. And we're gonna just seal up the bag. We're gonna seal up this bag so all the moisture stays inside, right? Okay, so you're gonna wanna place this someplace warm. Some people use the back of the top of the refrigerator, like on top of it, not inside. And just keep it in a warm spot for a few days. Every day or two, go ahead and unroll one or two of the paper towels just to see if you have any sprouts. And in this case, I think it took maybe 3 or 4 days for these to sprout. And this is what they started out as. And here they are as I'm unrolling them. If you let them get too big, the roots will grow into the paper towel a little bit. Okay, so at this point you can go ahead and plant your seeds. Now, if your root is stuck in the paper towel, you want to just go ahead and take it with it. Just tear a piece of the paper towel off. And you can just tuck it right in there. There you go. We're going to repeat for all the other ones. Okay, and this is what they look like just maybe 7-8 hours after I planted them. They peeked out of the soil. They're looking pretty happy. I had them out in the full sun, and I'm hoping they will continue to grow like this plant you'll see next, which was actually a seedling I started a little bit earlier in the season. The only thing you have to do now is wait for them to get a little bigger. As they get larger, you can go ahead and transplant them into your garden outdoors or into a pot. You do want to make sure the weather is warm enough and that the area you plant them has full sun. The plants can be placed about 18 to 24 inches apart from each other, which gives them plenty of room to grow. It's really helpful to mulch around your plants. The mulch helps the soil retain moisture so they don't dry out.